Yeah, guys, the Blue Collar Brawler, aka Mike Dragich, is known for taking on gators barefoot. And now he's got a team coordinating efforts in North Carolina after Hurricane Helene. He's known for his alligator antics. But now the Blue Collar Brawler is taking on a new challenge, helping the victims from Helene.
All you gotta do is say yes, even in the smallest way. If you just say yes to help the person next to you, whether it's in a time of a natural disaster or not, it's gonna unite this country.
And with that, Mike and his crew are loading up on the equipment and making the trip to Asheville to help. The main item they're bringing? Chainsaws.
They just don't have a way to get it to these people because they're burning through their chainsaws, they're burning through chains and bars. And he was like, if you want to bring a couple chainsaws, that would make the world a difference.
The hope is to make a difference in the storm-ravaged area where people are just out of options. It's these types of images that sparked the crew to mobilize.
They are loaded down and overwhelmed.
We have as a community, and in order for us to be there for each other, we have to be there for support.
Yeah.
Coming from Jacksonville to North Carolina.
These men are no strangers to helping those in need. They are a part of a nonprofit called Project Savior Outdoors that brings awareness to veteran suicide. Now they're funneling their efforts into helping storm victims.
Right now, we've raised $30,000, 50 brand new steel chainsaws, 100 gallons of pre-mixed fuel, as well as accessories as well to take up and help those guys.
These guys with Project Savior Outdoors are hoping to make the first trip to North Carolina next week. They're still raising money to help with the efforts, and if you want to help, we have information on our website, fox35.com, and make sure you just look from this story. From the studio, I'm meteorologist Laurel Blanchard, Fox 35 News.